Noon, ang mga kababaihan ay parang nasa isang kulungan. Hindi makawala sa pananaw ng mga nasa itaas. Walang karapatan. Walang ibang pwedeng gawin. Ganun na lamang ba talaga ang nakatadhana para sa amin?
Magandang araw mga binibini! Tuloy kayo sa aming munting tahanan. Kamusta naman ang inyong mga buhay kasama ang inyong mga asawa?
Ang aking asawa na si Jose.
Oh, alam mo na yan, di ba? Bilang isang lalaki, kailangan namin magtrabaho ng maigi. Pero si Maria, lagi niyang sinisiguro na yung aming tahanan ay malinis. At tuwing ako'y uuwi galing trabaho, lagi niya ako pinaghahain ng napakasarap at napakasustansyang hapunan. Ganon yung tradisyon ng aming pamilya, di ba, mahal?
Tama, mahal. Bilang isang asawa, kailangan ko siyang ipagluto ng masasarap na pagkain at panatiling malinis ang aming tahanan.
Same with my husband, Carlos. Ginagawa kong lahat para sa kanya bago pa man siya makauwi sa aming tahanan because that's what we do, right?
Parang ang aking asawa na si Jose. He always affirms the importance of hard work and being the provider of the family. And I always make sure that he knows that we appreciate him because that is what keeping the families intact together, you know.
Tama! Parehas naming binabalanse ang mga gampanin sa aming tahanan, tulad na lamang ng pagbibigay ng masahe sa ating mga asawa. Tama ba mga binibini?
Tama ka dyan.
But no, women should not be confined to the idea that we are nothing because we are definitely more than just serving our husbands. We should evolve from traditional structured roles to modern, diverse, and inclusive roles for both genders.
I'm so glad we could all meet up. It's been a crazy week at the hospital, getting closer to finishing my medical degree.
That's nice, Ariel. I'm juggling work and law school too, but it's worth it.
Totally. And I am currently working on my startup. It's tough, tiring, yeah, but it's worth it. I love the freedom. Because women, we're not just stuck at home anymore, right?
Yes.
And I'm so proud of you, Karel. We're just balancing things out. And I'm just happy na ginagampanan natin yung roles ng bawat isa, right?
Yes, lucky for us, we didn't experience what other women did before.
It's about partnership and supporting each other's dream.
I couldn't agree more because we have come a long way in redefining what it means to be men and women. Now we can become, doctors, lawyers, and entrepreneurs. The possibilities are just endless for all of us, especially for women. Right?
Yes.
Yes.
So what are you waiting for? Let's eat, everyone.
Gusto na kaya siya? Sila. Ang tagal na nung huli nila akong binisita.
I'm so full. I think we should visit Grandma.
Okay, let's go. Let's get our car.
Mga apo, ba't hindi kayo nagsabi na pupunta kayo ngayon? Hindi ko kayo tuloy napagluto ng inyong paboritong sinigang.
It's fine, Grandma. Mark and I bought food for us to eat together.
O sige, mahal. I'll just leave you here. I'll just get the food sa car, okay?
Alright. How are you, Grandma?
I'm okay, apo. Hinihintay ko na lang yung oras ko, son.
What are you saying, Grandma? You're gonna live a long life. 100 plus, right? You know what, Grandma? Before, hindi ko maintindihan yung mga stories mo. Pero ngayon, I'm starting to realize how strong you are. And I am very grateful na hindi na namin nararanasan yung naranasan mo before.
Apo, alam mo ba na masaya rin ako dahil hindi niyo na dinanas yung mga dinanas namin nung panahon namin. Apo, sana mahalin mo si Mark ng tunay at hindi sa paraan na ikaw ay nasasakal na.
Mahal natin yung pagkain. Tara po natin. Kumain na tayo sa loob.
Tara.
Lakad.
Oh, mahagol kayo ha.
Action.
Wait lang na.
Action.
Riga, wala ba?
Action.
Para nga, okay. Sige, may baba doon.
And action.
That's nice, Ariel. I'm juggling work and law school too. But it's worth it.
Totally agree. And I'm currently working on my start. Nakabilis ko naman salita.
1, 2. Action.
Pag narinig ko yung ako, natatawa ako.
Madidilit ko na to. Apo, alam mo ba na masaya rin ako dahil hindi nyo na dinanas yung mga dinanas namin nung panahon namin. Puso muna, kulang pa.